In this video, we will analyze the Sonic coin, which has been preparing to attack recently. There's currently a significant downtrend for Sonic coin. This trend is causing the price to continuously move downwards. However, once this downtrend is broken, there is a good chance that a major bullish move will begin. Breaking the trend is usually an indication that the market is changing direction and that buyer pressure is starting to increase. Once this trend is broken, it should retest, and then it is ready to rise. There's a bullish order block at the bottom. This is considered a high buyer zone, meaning that when there are many buyers here, the price is expected to find support and rise. If the price reaches this zone, there could be a big bounce because there could be a lot of buying. There's a bear order block at the top, which represents the zone of strong sellers. At this level, the number of selling traders increases, which causes the price to fall. If the price approaches here, the selling pressure is likely to increase, and a strong pullback is likely. The price usually falls in the hands of bearish order blocks because traders who buy at the bottom want to take profit. According to the Elliott wave, it has completed the first and second waves. Now we are entering the third wave phase, where the strongest movement is expected to take place. The third wave is usually the strongest bullish wave of the market, and it needs to reach a minimum Fibonacci level of 1,618. And the third wave comes when no one expects it. Looking at the chart from a wide angle, we can see that a distinct W pattern, a double bottom pattern, has formed. This pattern is often considered a strong reversal signal, signaling the possibility of a bullish reversal from a downtrend. The W pattern forms two bottoms and they are usually close to similar levels. When the neckline of this pattern is broken, a strong bullish move usually begins. The completion of this pattern on the chart heralds a potential uptrend. There are 3 peaks in the W pattern. Now there are 2 peaks in total, and if the middle one breaks and goes above it, the last peak will be a high peak. On the chart, there was a horizontal channel structure, and the price briefly moved inside this channel. However, it made a downward move, breaking the lower side of the channel. The lower band of the channel was acting as a support level, and the price breaking it was an indication that the selling pressure was increasing and the market was moving in a bearish direction. This channel shows us that the price is now breaking out of the sideways trend. Looking at the Bollinger Band, price has now touched its lower band. This is usually a sign that the oversold zone is being approached and price has the potential to bounce back. The lower band of the Bollinger Band can provide support when price moves downwards in an extreme manner. If the price bounces off the lower band and crosses the middle band, the blue line, a bullish move can begin. The upper band of the Bollinger Band can be the target level of such a bullish move. Once it crosses the middle band, the upper band is the target. Looking at the MACD indicator, there was a crossover from the top, and the MACD line oscillated below zero. This is a signal that the bearish trend is strengthening, and selling pressure is increasing. In order for the uptrend to start, the MACD needs to make a crossover from the bottom. If the MACD crosses upwards from below the zero line, this is a new buy signal. If it crosses from the bottom and moves above the 0 point, the bullishness grows. The vortex indicator has 2 lines, blue and red. When the red line is on top, it means that bearishness is prevailing and the selling force is increasing. At the moment, the red line is on top and a strong bearish movement is visible. For bullishness, the blue line needs to move to the upper side. Looking at the price action, we can see that it last tried to break above the 200 EMA but failed to hold there and moved back below it. This suggests that the 200 EMA is currently working as a strong resistance zone. If the price breaks above the 200 EMA again and can stay above it, it means that the uptrend has started. Usually the big moves are above the 200 EMA. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe and like the video, more videos will come. Good earnings to everyone.